Honor has launched the Honor 500 series, the standard Honor 500 and the 500 Pro. Honor 500 series come in aquamarine, starlight powder, moonlight silver, obsidian black. The new lineup will sport a horizontal camera bar similar to the Apple iPhone Air and Google Pixel phones. The back of the Honor 500 appears to have a two-tone finish. The sides of the phone will feature a metal frame with a flat design. The Honor 500 and 500 Pro will sport the same design, with the Pro having a triple camera setup on the back. Though the two share similar designs, but some aspects make them different. A flat display with slim bezels accounting for only 1.05 mm. Features 6.55-inch HDR AMOLED display, FHD Plus resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, ultra-high frequency PWM dimming, and 6000 nits peak brightness. The base model will be powered by the Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 SoC and 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage. Both phones will run on Magic OS X based Android 16. The rear camera setup of the Honor 500 and 500 Pro will include a 200-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel selfie camera. The phone will feature a massive 8000 mAh battery and support 80W charging. The Honor 500 starts at 2,699 Chinese yuan. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.